So hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. So this is a short and focused walkthrough to help you to get your HestiaCP server ready for the web hosting. So including name server, DNS, email and essential security settings. So all without paying for the cPanel. If you face any issue during the setup or have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment and I will do my best to help out. So after login, here what's your HestiaCP dashboard look like? It's a clean, fast and give you access to all major tools like web domain, DNS, mail, databases and firewall and more. On the top bar, you can switch between the user or setting. Now, before we add any domain, let's create a proper hosting user. So as a best practice, don't use the admin account for the hosting website. Instead, go to the user tab and create the new user. This will help you organize resources and isolate website, especially if you are hosting for the client, and assign a strong password, give to access to DNS, web and mail, and set the default language and the theme if you need it. Now let's configure your custom name server like NS1 your domain name and NS2 your domain name. First go to your domain registrar and create two A record pointing to your VPS IP. This will be used for the glue records. Once that done, head over to the DNS section in Hestia and set up the default DNS template. Make sure it includes the NS record and point mail and www to the right location. This step is crucial if you want HestiaCP to act as your DNS authority. So now let's add our first website. Go to the web section under your new user and click add domain. Enter the domain name, enable SSL using let's encrypt and turn on FTP access if needed. You can also select Nginx plus PHP FPM for optimal performance, and once you add it, you will see the document root, log and SSL status in the dashboard. Now check the DNS record for your domain you just added. You should see the A record, MX record, SPF and NX record already populated. You can edit and add new entries like TXT record for the Google verification on custom CNAMEs, and make sure your DNS propagation is completed and before testing mail and subdomains. So now next, let's up email hosting. Head over the mail tab and create the new email account. You can access your inbox through roundcube webmail, which is automatically included. Now enable DKIM for the domain to ensure your email don't land in spam. So also set up SPF and DMRC in the DNS zone. Finally, test and sending and receiving email using your mail clients or webmail interface. And next is security is a must. Start by enabling fail to ban to protect against brute force attack. Then go to the firewall section and check your open ports and close anything unnecessary. I also recommend changing your SSH port, disabling root login via the SSH. Lastly, enable reCAPTCHA on the login page for the accept protection. Want better performance? Enabling caching from the domain setting. If you are using Nginx, you can also configure the Redis or opcache for the PHP if needed. Don't forget to schedule automatic backup. HestiaCP lets you back up your files, databases and email. It must for the production server. So after using the HestiaCP for web hosting across several VPS setup, here's my honest take. It's a clean, fast and easy to use, perfect for the freelancers, developers and small scale hosting provider. The only downside is it may need a little more hands-on server knowledge and compared to the something like cPanel, but hey, it's free and open source and super capable. If you made it this far, you now really working with a web hosting server with the DNS, mail, name server and enhanced security, all powered by HestiaCP. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like video, subscribe for more hosting content, and drop your question in the comment below. And thanks for the watching and happy hosting.